So, in previous lecture, we talk about magnetic field line, right hand thumb rule, magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor, circular loop, solenoid, and also about electromagnet. Today we are going to discuss about force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Okay, let's see what is. Class 10th, chapter 13. Okay, magnetic field of electric current. Magnetic field magnetic, not field, magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, so today the topic what we discuss is force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Okay, let us see. Before we talk about this topic, in your NCERT textbook there is a activity given in which a horseshoe magnet is placed perpendicular to horseshoe magnet perpendicular to a current carrying conductor. So let us see how. So this is a stand where this rod is placed. Okay, by this way it is connected through a battery. Okay, so here this is a rod having current flow through it, minus plus. Okay, and this is magnet. So we know that if this is magnet, then it produces some magnetic field around it. So in this topic we talk about whenever current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field in such a way that the first side, if this one is P side and this one is Q side, so this side is perpendicular to the magnetic field produced by North Pole, and this Q side of the rod of the conductor is placed in a such way that it is perpendicular to the magnetic field produced by this side, means South Pole. Okay, again I repeat this both conductor, this is the two side of conductor. This is, if this is conductor P and Q, then P is placed in a such a way that P is perpendicular to magnetic field. Which magnetic field? Magnetic field produced by this pole, North Pole. Okay, now Q is placed in a such a way that it is also perpendicular to the magnetic field, this magnetic field produced by South Pole. So here this conductor contains some electric charge. So we say that electric current is perpendicular to magnetic field. Okay, in this both situation, in both pole, north pole and south pole. Okay. So this is all about the construction of this activity. Okay. So let us see what we have result. Whenever a conductor is placed in such a way that both end of this conductor is perpendicular to the magnetic field which produced by north pole and south pole respectively. Hence, whenever current flow in this conductor, it also produce some amount of magnetic field, because if conductor contains some electric charge, it behaves like magnet. Hence, there is external force developed in this field, by which this rod it go some in left direction, It means that there is a force act who push this rod in left direction, in this direction. Okay. So before, if current is not going in this circuit, if current is not flow in the rod, there is a magnetic field due to this horseshoe magnet, and when current is flowing through it, it also produce some amount of magnetic field. Hence, we have some amount of force experience in this activity, and this force is from this direction, is from here to here. It means that it is from right to left. So the rod get displaced from that direction to that direction. Okay. Hence we can say that in this situation some force will develop whenever current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field. Okay. In this situation, there are two factors. Let us see. The direction of force is depend upon the direction of force on the conductor is depend upon two things. First, the direction of current, and second is direction of magnetic field. Okay, let us see. We know that before we start to talk about this all situation, I will tell you that current is placed in such a way that current is perpendicular to the magnetic field produced by this horseshoe magnet. So the force developed on conductor is depend upon these two things, current and magnetic field. So let us see what is the factor. First thing is that direction of current. So the direction of force on the conductor can be reversed by the reversing the direction of current. If we flow current from this direction, the force developed in this direction. If the current I flow in this direction, the force developed in this direction. Okay. If we change the direction of current, means from here to here, means if we flow current from in this direction by this direction, then current also reverse. The direction of force can also reverse from this direction. So direction of force is depend upon the direction of current. If direction of current is in upward direction, the direction of force is in left direction. If the current flow is from positive to negative, then the current in right direction. Okay. So this is all about current and force. So the first thing that we have to notice ki if the direction of current will reverse, the direction of force will change.